So hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Discover, learn and grow. So in this particular video, you'll be learning about UML diagrams. In the previous video, we have learned about CAF BRDs, right? Business requirement documents and how to draft a BRD. Now we will be learning about UML diagrams. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language, and Unified Modeling Language diagram is a standardized visual representation of the system. So you will be representing the system with the help of visual diagrams, right? Visual diagrams. It components and interactions. So it is used in software engineer to model, design, and document software systems. UML diagrams helps in understanding, analyzing, and designing complex software architecture, right? See, basically UML diagrams are nothing but you will be visually representing the total system so that developers as well as all the development team like design as well as the testing team will be understanding. Like as I said you know, like don't give a big document, just give them the visual representation of the system and they will understand करके. So UML helps us in UML or nothing but unified modeling language helps us in visually representing the system. So there are two types of UML diagrams. Two categories of UML diagrams. One is structural and one is behavioral. So structural will be used by developers. So we just need to know like class diagrams, object diagrams, component diagrams, deployment diagrams, package diagrams, composite structure diagrams. These all comes under structure diagrams, and these will be used by developers as well as technical teams. But we as a business analyst or a product manager or business analyst, we will be using behavioral diagrams, or we will be using or we will be creating behavioral diagrams. This describes the dynamic behavior of the system, like how the user is interacting with the system करके. So use case diagrams, we will be using use case diagrams so much. As a business analyst, we will be using use case diagrams, and we will be building use case diagrams frequently. So it shows the functionality of the system from the user's perspective. Next is sequence diagram. This interacts between objects over time, like it shows a sequence. Next is activity diagram, represents a workflows and business processes. As a business analyst, we will be using use case diagrams and activity diagrams most frequently than other diagrams. Next is state machine diagram, shows the different states an object can be in. Communication diagram we will be using in DFD diagrams, that is nothing but a data flow diagrams similar to sequence diagram but focuses on object interactions, right? Interaction overview diagrams combines activity and sequence diagrams to show control flow. It is quite intuitive. So as a business analyst, we will be learning about use case diagrams and activity diagrams. So yeah, this is about this video, guys. And in the next video, we will be, not I will be, we will be building an use case diagram, UML use case diagram. So yeah,